Someone asked me recently, what can they trademark? And this is such a super good question. Okay, here's what you can trademark. You could trademark your business name, your product name. You can trademark your logo. You can trademark a slogan. You can trademark a sound, and you can even trademark a motion. I know, really weird. I didn't realize that, but you can trademark. Those are the things you can really trademark. Now, trademarking your business name is good, and that's definitely the first place you should start, but it's not the place you should end. You might also want to trademark your different products and different, like if you have a particular framework for something and it's proprietary, you might want to trademark that too. It means that no one else can use it. Now, the trademark office is not going to approve anything too general, so that's something to keep in mind as well. But if you have something unique to you that's important to your business, like a business asset that's important, then you're going to want to trademark it. You can also trademark like a podcast name. And that's something that I think is really important as podcasts are growing. It's important to have a trademark for your podcast name. You can trademark your slogan. You can trademark your logo, although that's less common, but you can trademark your slogan and logo. You can trademark a sound, so there's something unique that your business is known for, like NBC trademark their sound when I can't say it, but they trademark their sound because that's important to their brand. And finally, you can trademark a motion, like a dance move has been trademarked. So those are all things to keep in mind about what you can trademark. Basically, you can trademark an important business asset, whether that's your business name, a product line, a proprietary framework, a podcast, anything like that. Those are all great contenders to trademark. Now, if you want to talk more about trademarking, please email me at ann@powerhouse-legal.com. That's ann@powerhouse-legal.com. Thanks.